fishing for. So it's high tide at the moment. Looks like we're going over a bit of weed now. And today we're going to be having a bit of a go for squid on some squid jigs. And I've never actually caught a squid on a squid jig before, so it should be interesting. Now, I picked up these little Daiwa squid jigs from BCF in the bargain bucket for like $5 a pop. So we'll have to use them and see how they go. Now, I don't really know the correct technique for these things, but I just have to give it a cast out and see how it goes. I hope that wasn't near the bloody... Oh, there's a cormorant over there. Now, it wouldn't be good if I hooked onto him. So yeah, I'm just using my light setup today. Pretty much the only person out here at the moment. It's very nice. Just decided to come down for a paddle just to see what would happen, you know. And be a bit of a bonus if I could get some calamari for dinner, you know. That would turn out alright. Just leave that out there. Yeah, there's schools of stuff down there. Now I'm out on the kayak today because... Oh no. I think that snapped. Well, this is going to be a short video. Ah, Jesus. No, man. Fuck. That is rough. Nah, man. And I already know why this is snapped, because I recently took it on a hiking trip. And it went through hell and back, basically. Now that's not a great start. Oh no. That is tragic right there. So it looks like on about with these hungry eyes. Hungry eyes. I think I got something. I'm not sure though. Tiny, whatever it is. Have I got one? No way. I actually got one. Oh, he's hanging on by a thread, man. Oh, fuck. I just got inked all over. Oh, fuck. Oh, my record, please tell me I'm... Oh my God. Guys, I just got completely inked all over me. That's my first ever squid on a jig right there. Holy. Hey, look, it's been a bit up and down. Like, we just broke one of our rods. This guy literally is only just hooked. Look at me, I'm covered. I am absolutely covered. But hey, look, we got some calamari rings for dessert. I am not complaining, that's for sure. Now let's hope we get some more, because hey, that's one way to bloody catch one. Jesus Christ, look at him. Alright, let's get him out of the water. Oh, wow. Look at that. It's a good size one as well. Nice. Arrow squid. Good size one. Let's get into the bloody cooler bag. I'll have to Hey look, this guy, he knew what he was doing when he inked me. He bloody got me good. But hey look, the squid jig works. I am ecstatic about that. I'm actually so hyped. That's a good size one too. That'll be good bait if I do decide to use it as bait. So yeah, crack the curse. Now let's get back to it and try and catch another one after that. Jesus, man. Absolutely covered. Absolutely covered. Got in my mouth as well. It's ridiculous, man. Thank God I'm wearing old clothes. It was so light, like I didn't even know that I had something on. I was like, there's got to be some way that there's something on, you know what I mean? Caught him because usually where there's one, there's another, you know what I mean? So let's try and head back over and see. We have got our war tattoos now, and we're just gonna, I was right on the drop, right when it hit the water is when he got on. Now I'll try and replicate that. I guess we'll just keep doing what we're doing. Cast out with a slow wind, sort of cover all directions, pause every now and then. They don't really feel like much by the sound of it. Oh, we've got some competition rocking up. Jesus Christ, man. Oh yeah, we got one. It's a good one. Oh, this is a very good one. You still on? Oh yeah, you're still on. What is it? Oh, what? No way, man. What the fuck? You fucking serious? Something yoinked my squid. Bro, what? Nah. Oh, that's fucked. That's what the run would have been. Run would have been some fucking bastard stealing my fish. Stealing my squid, man. What the hell is that? That's bullshit. So I guess that's 1.5 squid then, bro. Jesus. Jesus, man. Go join your friend. Fucking hell. I'll do another one here. Seems decent. Let's hope the same thing doesn't happen where he's just grabbed by a bloody fish. It'd be nice if this guy didn't squirt me as well. Oh, he's a good one. Oh, he's only just on by 1 tenny. No, he's inked. He's inking. It's very, very light. Come on, yes, let's go. Number 2.5. Jesus, man. Squid season. Squid season, right? Ah, yeah, they were locked up. I'm not going anywhere. Nice, man. Let's go. There we go. Number 2 officially, but 2.5 unofficially because of the other 2. Jesus, man. course, when I stop recording, that's when I hook up. Jesus. Well guys, I think that's all she wrote today. Didn't have much luck after catching that last one. So yeah, I think they all moved out maybe. I don't know exactly when the tide change was, but at least it's nice and calm now and I get to endure these conditions rather than other conditions. I was pretty unlucky there with one of them. Bloody only caught the head. So one of them got ripped out of my grasp, probably by like a big brim or something, because there's lots of little brim getting around at the moment, and I saw some bigger ones before. So yeah, I'll probably be posting a bit more because my uni's finished for the year, so I'll be able to make some more videos. And if you guys like this one, please let me know down below, and if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.